Dear students, how are you? Last class I discussed about tense. Today I discussed about narration. At first, we should know what is narration. Anybody says? Yes. On a speaker, tells anything is called narration. অর্থাৎ বক্তা যখন কিছু বলে সেকে narration. What kind of narration? Anybody tells? Kind of two. Narration kind of two. On direct narration, direct narration, number two, indirect narration. Now we should know direct narration. On a speaker tells anything directly is called direct narration. And indirect narration, on a speaker tells anything indirectly is called indirect narration. Yes. He said to me, comma, I am fine, inverted comma shuru, I am fine, inverted comma shesh. Indirect narration, now everybody should notice. He said to me, reporting verb. Direct narration part of two. A reporting verb are reported speech. Inverted comma ভিতর যেটা থাকবে সেটা হচ্ছে reported speech এবং comma ভিতরে থাকবে reporting verb. এখানে he said to me reporting verb and reported speech I am fine. বক্তা what the speaker tells reported speech. Who tells? Reporting verb. এখানে reporting verb said to speaker he and listener me. Now we should know sentence kind of five. সাধারণত narration আমরা পাঁচ প্রকার সেন্টেন্সের মাধ্যমে করে থাকি। assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, approximative sentence. 5 exclamatory sentence. এই পাঁচ প্রকার সেন্টেন্স মধ্যে আমরা ন্যারেশন করে থাকি। We should know number person kind of three. First person, second person, third person. Assertive sentence, operative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Conjunction that. Imperative sentence. Conjunction to. And interrogative sentence. If only complete. Me, I am fine. Reported speech, I am fine. Assertive sentence. He told me that he was fine. এখানে রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব পাস্ট টেন্স। রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব পাস্ট হলে আমরা রিপোর্টের স্পিচের টেন্সের সামান্য পরিবর্তন হয়। টেন্সের পরিবর্তনটা as present indefinite tense হলে past indefinite tense, present continuous tense হলে tense, past continuous tense, present perfect tense to tense, past perfect tense, present continuous, perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and past indefinite tense to tense, past perfect tense, past continuous tense to tense, past perfect continuous tense. এখানে assertive sentence says reported speech present indefinite tense or the past indefinite tense. He was fine. Reported speech the first person. When the report is the first person, it should be followed. Reporting verb is subject person. Second person, follow object person. Third person, no sense. And reported speech first person. For this, it should be follow subject person. Subject he. I am fine. Present indefinite tense. For this, to sense past indefinite tense, you are fine. Dear students, the next class we shall discuss interrogative sentence and imperative sentence. Home task. He said to me, we are playing football. Now it is in.